Okay, hi guys, we are in part two under logs, and this is where we stop. Okay, we were going through the laws and understanding the use of logarithm. Okay, the basic use. Okay, so now let's solve this past question on the additional mathematics IGCSE. So this question actually came, I think in 2011 or 1. I didn't write the code, but the next time I will. So look at the example. Express log a, this is a, okay, plus 3 log b minus 3 as a single fraction. So you have to write this expression as a single fraction, and you need to use your laws for this. You need to use your what? Your laws. Okay, so how do? I see a plus. So basically what you have to do is that before you add the plus, you can see that this can be changed. This term can be changed because we were saying, so let me write my solution. I need to write my solution. It's very important to me. Anyhow, so we know that when we have log p m, it is the same thing as m log p. We know that. Okay, we know. So this is what I'm going to use for this term. So I have 3 log b, which is equal to log b raised to the power of 3. So I've changed one term. So basically, I know that log p plus log q, it is equal to log, okay, p times q. From my previous video, I've talked about it. So this is what I'm going to use for these two terms. So it means that log a, okay, log a plus log b raised to the power of 3 will be equal to log a, okay, times b raised to the power of 3. So this is what I have. This is what I have. So I was able to change these two terms. What is left is the third one. So 3, what can I do with it? At the end of the day, it has to look like a fraction. Okay, so 3, I need to change it using log. And I've told you that when you have log pp, it is equal to 1. So what I'm going to use is that I'm looking at the index at the end, the index of each log given to me, and it's 10, as I explained in my previous video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write 3 as log 10 raised to the power of 3, which is the same thing as 3 log 10, which is 3. So I'm not changing anything. I'm just rewriting what I have in order to get what I want. Okay, so basically I'm going to write log, so that same expression becomes a times b3 minus what? Log 10 raised to the power of 3, which becomes minus, if you look at my previous video, you realize that is a division. So I write log into brackets a times b3 all over 10 raised to the power of 3. Okay, so then this is now the fraction I'm having is log a times b3 all over what? 1000. And I'm done. Okay, so I went through my laws. I had to use my laws in every step of the way for me to get my single fraction. So I hope you've understood the basics, but I will still do another part 3, okay, using another example, a little much more complex, not that difficult, for you to understand how logs can still be used again. So see you in part 3. So for this topic, you should be happy. I'm having 2 examples, and I'm breaking it into 3 parts for you to understand it better. I don't want to rush. Okay, so let's see in part 3.